Alrighty. Good morning. Well, it is Friday. It's a rainy Friday day. But we're out here at Tomales. And the yak is in the back of the truck. So yes, I got my wetsuit. I got all my gear. Rain is supposed to be stopping. My biggest thing right now is this wind. There wasn't supposed to be any wind out here today. And here we are. It's like 7-8 miles an hour pushing towards me. So that means I'll be fighting it the whole way out. But as you can see, the water's not too bad in close here, but I can see white caps out there. And I'm really debating whether to do this or not, because it does look pretty damn rough out there. And I don't know if it's going to calm down or not, because it wasn't supposed to be doing this. The rain was supposed to stop. The wind was supposed to have stopped. And now I hear it's not even until 11 o'clock the rain's supposed to stop. And it's what, 8:30? Oh, come on. Damn Fitbit won't come on. Yeah, it's 8:35. So I'm debating. So if I go out, I'll get back at you, but I don't know about this right now. I mean, it's looking pretty rough. So I might just chill out for a little while and wait and see what happens. All right, so I went ahead and got back in my truck while I wait to see what this is going to do. I don't really know if I'm going to make it out or not, because, I mean, the wind keeps gusting. White caps look like they're getting bigger out there. So I'm just going to chill for a little while and just wait to see what happens. I'll give it until, I'll give it a little bit, but I'm not going to endanger my life to go fishing. Even though this kayak I got is virtually unsinkable, but you know what? You never know what's going to happen in weather. So I'm going to chill and just wait and see what happens. All right, peace for now. Well, 8:52. Said to give it until 9, but I'm sitting here watching this weather, and the waves are getting higher. The wind is actually moving my kayak around in the back of my truck. So, like I said, it's not worth endangering my life, even though I have more than once for fishing. Yeah. But, you know, the wind's got even worse now. And even the cormorant over there is like, dude, I'm not getting in this water. I'm going to stand here and fan myself. Yeah, it's all white caps out there, so I don't think I'm going to do this today. I can't even zoom in. Yeah, but if you look out there, you can see the white caps. I'm just not interested in taking a chance. So, I'm getting old. So, yeah, I'm going to call it good. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. Mine's all screwed up now. Peace.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.